This nourishing noodle bowl is a lovely combo of rich salmon, soft noodles and a kick of kimchi. Easy to make and a great midweek dinner. Mix 2 tablespoons of Japanese tamari sauce or soy sauce with a tablespoon of white miso paste. Just make sure to choose miso with no added oil or sugar. Brush the mixture on the salmon fillets and pop in the air fryer for 8 to 10 minutes at 200 degrees C. While that's cooking, prepare the veg. Stir fry a bunch of spring onions, 300 grams of long stem broccoli and 100 grams of asparagus spears for 2 to 3 minutes. Juice a lime and add 2 tablespoons of kimchi. And if you've yet to try it, kimchi is a Korean speciality of salted, fermented veg, usually cabbage. And trust me, it's better than it sounds. Add some chopped fresh coriander and just enough water to make it into a sauce and add it to the pan. Stir in some cooked udon noodles and warm everything through for 2 to 3 minutes before adding 1½ teaspoons of nigella seeds. Serve everything straight away with lime wedges for squeezing.